Welcome back to another video. So, wait, am I recording even? Oh yeah, am I recording? Oh yeah, am I recording? So, okay. So, you guys are not playing Pet Simulator X, I'm playing Pet Simulator Z. You go to my account and then you scroll down and then click favorites and then you'll see Pet Simulator X Z. I meant not X Z. Okay, and then you play it and then favorite it so you won't lose it ever again. Okay, I don't know to use that. Okay. So I'm buying. I not new in my other account. I'm a pro at the other account, but this account I'm still not good at it yet. It's very annoying. What's that? Oh, it's my kitty. I thought it was a bee. Here you go. Stay with me. And if you also play Pet Simulator Z, you can speedrun, by the way. Speedrun, skip. Oh my! Oh, I thought. I get scared. Wild fire cat. I'm, tr- I'm trying to get an exclusive. I always keep getting exclusive. I cannot say it. Exclusive in my other account. Can you hear that? Please get something good than the other. Ooh, golden. Spike red panda. Let's shift deck. Imagine you would be this good on Pet Simulator. You would flex on everybody. Wee, and you have this all kind of items, and then they were like, "What hacker?" They'll call you hacker, and then you won't care. I said, "Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, just kidding. It's not it's not real at Pet Simulator X. It's Pet Simulator Z. Ooh, wave crab. I never had a wave crab. Grave crab in Pet Simulator X. Rat Salon is back. Rat Salon is back. Calls your name and no fades to crack. We don't talk about no. Really? What's this? Camilo just changed him into who's that? Wait, where's the other place? That's. Am I missing something? What? I'm so confused. What am I missing? Oh yeah, I'm missing that one. I need to go to the Hell Island. No. Go. What? That's a lot. I'm getting up. The gooder one in here in Pet Simulator Z is the question mark, then the leaf thingy. Spike.